How to use Valor badges in Last War Survival. Now, Valor badges help you exchange for rewards in the shop, unlock special features or bonuses. It helps you participate in events, boost your progress, and you'll be able to use them for like important upgrades. Usually Valor badges are used for researching, for following for alliance duels, intercity, truck, and special operation, and especially for level 10 troops. The Valor badges are very useful, so you gotta be stacking them. So in order to get these Valor badges, you should be able to find them here. So choose whichever suits you the most, and there you'll be able to get more Valor badges. So I have a free supply. But anyways, Valor badges are important. So do make sure you are able to stack them. So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's all. Thank you.